Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on order of operations. When two or more of the four operations appear in a given calculation, there is an accepted way of arriving at the correct answer. We will deal with brackets in the next video. While this topic can be quite challenging, the examples we will use here are very straightforward and will demonstrate the important approaches to be used. Let's assume we have addition and subtraction only. When addition and subtraction are the only two operations that appear without brackets, work from left to right. Example 1, 9 minus 3 plus 2 minus 7. If we do that part first, that gives us 6 plus 2 minus 7. Then we do 6 plus 2 to give us 8. So we have 8 minus 7, and that gives us 1. Example 2. 12 minus 3 plus 7 minus 4 plus 5. We work out 12 minus 3 first. That gives us 9. So we have 9 plus 7 minus 4 plus 5. We do 9 plus 7 next. That gives us 16 minus 4 plus 5. We do 16 minus 4 next. That gives us 12 plus 5, and that gives us 17. When multiplication and division only. So just when multiplication and division occur. When multiplication and division are the only two operations that appear without brackets, work from left to right. Example 1, 15 divided by 3 multiplied by 6. So we just work from left to right. 15 divided by 3 gives us 5. So we have 5 times 6, and that's 30. Example 2, 24 divided by 3 multiplied by 5 divided by 10 multiplied by 6. Now, 24 divided by 3 gives us 8. And that's the rest of the sum there, or the calculation. 8 times 5 gives us 40. That's the remainder of the calculation. 40 divided by 10 gives us 4. 4 6s are 24. So you can see how you systematically work from left to right. Addition and multiplication only. When addition and multiplication are the only two operations that appear without brackets, perform the multiplication first, then work from left to right. Example 1, 2 times 3 plus 4. 2 times 3 gives us 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. Example 2, 5 plus 4 times 3. We do the multiplication first to give us 12. 5 plus 12 equals 17. Addition and division only. When addition and division are the only two operations that appear without brackets, perform the division first, then work from left to right. So 6 plus 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2 gives us 4. 6 plus 4 gives us 10. Example 2, 24 divided by 2 plus 4. 24 divided by 2 gives us 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. Subtraction and multiplication only. When subtraction and multiplication are the only two operations that appear without brackets, perform the multiplication first, then work from left to right. Example 1, 6 times 9 minus 2. 6 nines gives you 54. 54 take away 2 gives you 52. Example 2, 8 minus 3 times 2. 3 twos gives you 6. 8 minus 6 gives you 2. Subtraction and division only. When subtraction and division are the only two operations that appear without brackets, perform the division first, then work from left to right. Example 1, 24 divided by 6 minus 3. 24 divided by 6 gives you 4. 4 minus 3 gives you 1. Example 2. 30 minus 10 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2 gives you 5. 30 minus 5 equals 25. So this is a very important video which has looked at order of operations, and we've seen how to do some sums involving the 4 operations without brackets. In the next video we will look at brackets.